In order to change the watch face, press and hold the watch screen, swipe left or right to the watch face of your preference, and press once to select it. For more watch face options, press the plus menu button and select a watch face from the available list. Note, you will need a Wi-Fi connection for this to work. To access the main app menu, swipe left from the watch face to display the app menu. Here we can see a list of our apps. In order to return to the main watch face, swipe right. To see the weather, swipe up from the watch face to display the weather. Weather info will update when we connect the LooK watch with Wi-Fi. In order to see the battery and network status, swipe down from the main watch face. Here we can see the battery status bar, SIM card status, Bluetooth status, and battery percentage. From the battery and network status screen, swipe left to bring up the wireless connectivity icons. This menu contains an Enable/Disable button for screen vibrate, gesture, airplane mode, cellular, GPS, brightness selection, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. From the wireless connectivity icons screen, swipe left to bring up the step counter. To access the notifications screen, swipe right to bring up the notifications screen.